Are you ready to elevate your medical education while discovering one of Southeast Asia's most dynamic cities? Welcome to Bandung, Indonesia, a city where culture, innovation, and education come together. Step into a thriving community where international minds unite, learn, and innovate together. Step inside our high-tech sport medicine laboratory, where theoretical knowledge transforms into hands-on scientific mastery under the guidance of leading specialists. Experience gold standard diagnostic tools like the Bod Pod firsthand. Stepping directly into advanced physiological assessment and body composition testing, delivering real-time metabolic analytics. Gain exclusive, direct insights from world-renowned international scholars, broadening your clinical horizons and global medical perspectives. Immerse yourself in our flagship international conference at premier stage, where groundbreaking ideas, medical research, and global academic dialogue take center stage. Present your research in specialized parallel sessions. Participate in interactive clinical workshops and collaborate directly with passionate peers from across the world. Beyond academia, dive straight into Bandung's legendary culture, exploring historic Braga Street, tasting authentic local cuisine, and sharing unforgettable moments into the night. But don't just take our word for it here, it's straight from our global participants.
Hi, my name is Jarrell, and I'm from Singapore, and I'm currently studying the Bachelor's of Exercise and Sports Science in Edith Cowan University through PSB Academy. I recently had the opportunity to attend the summer exchange program called Inspire by UPI Bandung, and initially I thought it would just be a normal academic experience, but it ended up being way more memorable than just that.
Your extraordinary journey in global medicine begins right here. Join us at FKUPI next summer.